Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube. This bike has been fitted with a Delkevic Exhaust 14-inch or 343mm titanium exhaust. Using motorsport testing protocol, noise levels are 100 to 102 decibels without the baffle and 98 to 100 decibels with the baffle. It's on our dyno as part of the development we do for every system we make. This testing allows us to confirm that no fueling modifications are necessary. You simply fit and ride. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been informative and that you've enjoyed it. If so, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button and also subscribing, which will enable us to keep you up to date with our latest content releases and special offers.